G'day, g'day. These little guys here are the seed pods of daikon. There's a variety of radish called the rat-tailed radish, and it makes pods a lot larger than this. These guys can be eaten just like a pea pod. So this lovely plant here comes to us from Africa, and the entire plant is edible, including the seeds. This one is commonly referred to as the nodding red-flowered ragleaf. You can see the red flowers there. And the raggy leaf here has a purple, very distinct purple vein in the middle, and purple venation around the purple border around this serrated leaf here. It's very easy to identify. The whole thing is edible. The pretty pink flower here is a native geranium. This is called commonly crane's bill, and its astringent properties mean that it is good for stopping of bleeding. The root is also edible when roasted. Now this is growing very closely to the California bristle mallow. The difference being the California bristle mallow is a very smooth leaf, whereas the crane's bill is a bit more furry and the stem similarly furry. They say that you actually use more calories to chew celery and digest it than you actually get from eating it. However, the act of chewing is very underrated. There's a lot of species, particularly things like thistle. The flowering purple head of thistle is really good for chewing to exercise the jaw. So we've obviously got an abundance of mint. This was planted from just a single cutting taken from in town. The sheer abundance will show you how much of this you should actually have in your diet, and it's a lot more than you might think. This lovely little patch of greenery is of the Rumex family. So this one here is dock, and these have a very sour flavour to them. Now you can eat the young leaves like this as a salad, they're quite nice. However, when the plant gets older, what you do is you go right in the middle, and I'll show you the middle of this one here. And when this is quite a bit bigger, you reach down there and you twist it and you pull that up, and you can chop that into a salad, or you can steam that as well, like a nice asparagus vegetable. This plant here is commonly referred to as California bristle mallow, and the entire plant is edible. It is very mucilaginous, and you can actually make a variety of marshmallow from the root of this.